Attention brow lovers, do you need your brow powder to stay on longer? Well, if that's you, I have a solution with a must-have we all need. First, use as a problem solver to wipe away any smudges. The smudge eraser stick can also act as a sheer base for our soft powder brow pencil. This technique works. I've tried and tested it, and my brows look natural and full, and I absolutely love this technique that I actually learned from a celebrity makeup artist. So now I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so the first step, you're just gonna be the artist and you are just going to paint your brows. Don't worry, it's clear. You're not gonna see anything. We're just applying this sheer color, which is almost like a wax base. Then what you're gonna do is take the spoolie, little beauty tip. I like to just bend the spoolie a little bit, and you're going to brush your brows just like that. Then you're gonna take your powder brow pencil and you are just gonna start filling in your brows. And the powder is going to adhere to the base for all day wear, natural looking brows. So we're gonna fill it in and then we're gonna brush it and go as we need. So I am just about done filling my brows, and then what I'm gonna do is just take the spoolie on the other end and shape my brow, and voila. Look at this, you guys. No brow pencil with the brow pencil over the base. These two together are best friends. They work magic together. I'm gonna do my other eye. I absolutely love this tip and I can't wait for you guys to try it. So here is the finished look. You guys can see my brows. They look fuller, they look natural. And you guys, your brows are the frame to your eyes. They lift your eyes, it opens your eyes. So you definitely wanna have your brows done. And these two together just make it a whole lot easier. So if you don't have these two must-haves, definitely check them out and use them together. Thanks for watching. Bye.